In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who you're following in Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever followed a seller on Facebook Marketplace and later wanted to find them again, this is a quick and useful feature to know. It helps you keep track of sellers you're interested in, revisit their listings, and check whether they've posted anything new. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the page loads, log into your Facebook account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the account where you originally followed those marketplace sellers, since your following list is tied to that specific profile. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu on Facebook and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace section where you can browse listings, manage your activity, and access seller-related options. Once you're inside Marketplace, find and click your profile icon. This is usually where Facebook stores your marketplace settings, saved activity, and account-related options for buying and selling. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Facebook often updates its interface, but the option you need is generally still connected to your marketplace profile area. From there, select Following or Following Sellers if that option appears. The exact wording can vary depending on your account or the current version of Facebook, but you're looking for the section that shows the sellers you've chosen to follow. This is where Facebook gathers that list so you can easily go back to it without having to search for each seller manually. After you open that section, you should see the sellers you're currently following. To learn more about any one of them, click on a seller's name or profile. That will open their marketplace profile and listings, allowing you to view what they have available, check for new posts, or decide whether you still want to keep following them. A helpful tip is to use this area every so often to review the sellers you follow. It can make Marketplace feel much more organized, especially if you've followed several people over time and want to quickly reconnect with trusted or interesting sellers. And that's all there is to it. By going to Facebook, opening Marketplace, clicking your profile icon, and selecting Following or Following Sellers, you can easily see exactly who you're following in Facebook Marketplace and jump straight to their listings whenever you need to.